Welcome to Ridvesh Finance, and guess what? On this, unexpectedly, we have skipped 1 to 2 IPOs during this week as we were busy with something else. So, the GMP predictions for ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company we are launching on the last minute, last moment on the day of listing. Actually, yesterday night only, I just recognized that probably this IPO may get listing today, and that's the reason when I check out on the internet, I just analyzed that this company is listing today, and then the last minute I'm making a videos for all of you. Actually, I was busy with work, and that's the reason. The GMP predictions for ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. Please note that we are not connected with anyone from the management. Whatever we do, that is purely analysis, and in this we have not done pure deep dive analysis over here. It's all about we have just giving random figure to on the listing gain. So the IPO detail of ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, the symbol will be ICICI AMC, and issue period was 12 December 2025 till 16 December 2025. Issue type is 100% book building issue. Price range between 2061 to 2165 per equity share. Discount offer is a nil. Face value is rupees 1. RE is bid lot 1. 6 equity per lot will be there. So the IPO market time is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and book running lead managers are quite a bunch. Means this is the Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, Bank of America, Securities India Limited, Axis Capital Limited, CLSA India Private Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Limited, Nomura Finance Advisory and Security India Limited, SBI Capital Market Limited, ICICI Security Limited, Goldman Sachs India Security Private Limited, Avendus Capital Private Limited, BNP Paribas. Okay, and HDFC Bank Limited, AJM Financial Limited, Motilal Oswal Limited, Investment Advisory Limited, Nuvama Wealth Management System, and UBS Securities India Limited. I believe it top all the financial institute is a part as book running lead manager for ICICI Prudential Asset Management. So it's all about joint hands between all the securities, I guess so. And the sponsored bank is Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, guys. Even this lead manager doesn't affect this IPO much as I seen. The reports all about the subscribe by the subscription for this IPO has we can see over here all asset is collected. Anyways, we will speak what performance will this company will share it on the on these terms. So probably the voice recorder is getting very less voice as we are not using other devices. The qualified institutional buyer has shown interest in this IPO 123.87. Non-institutional investors show interest in this IPO 22.04, where retail individual investors show interest in this IPO 2.53. Shareholder has subscribed this IPO 9.75. Total overall this IPO has got subscribed around 39.17. You can cross check once again before, because last minute I think I extracted everything. Maybe I misplaced something. So the GMP predictions for ICICI Prudential Asset Management, and this is a favorite part of Ridvesh Finance. So what markets speak about it? See, this company's price band between 2061 till 2165 per equity. So probably this will give it to you listing in at least 2220. 20 I'm giving, but factfully 2200 will be their minimum listing gain. Suppose first target, they will not give it to you discount offer, but suppose they think about the discount offer, they have given the gap between 2061 to 2165. 165 is the gap between. So here we can go ahead with this IPO. Suppose they will give it to you discount offer the loan on the day of listing, but probably they will not give. But then also we are giving, who knows what went wrong at what time. So they will give it to you. 2150 will be the opening gap, and suppose means discount offer on the day of listing. We will not go below that, because we know that they will give it to listing gain at least the day of listing. And suppose first target for this IPO will be 2250 above, means 75 or something. Second target will be 2300, but they will not give it to you. And third target will be 2450. They will not cross above this. So this is all about Prithvish Finance target set by us for this IPO. ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. It's like you can launch any program and launch any what that insurance with equity link fund, and then you can convert as the company, finance companies, to manage your retirement, manage your insurance cover, mediclaim, etc., etc. This is the one of the greatest example for all people who wanted to start on finance company. I guess ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. We have seen the advertisement, I think 15 years back, probably, because they have did a mass marketing for ICICI Prudential mutual funds since last number of years. So this is all about when you grow the seed, when you did seeding, and when you are finding the fruit of the seeding. It's all about ICICI Prudential Asset Management. Hopefully you will like our GMP prediction. Thank you by Prithvish Finance. Yes, absolutely. We don't get it. We don't catch the time, and that's the reason we have skip this IPO detail and everything. It's like we will do tomorrow. We will do tomorrow, but the factfully we skip it everything. So probably in this upcoming days you will not see much to us because of a hectic schedule. So I guess ICICI, but yeah, we will launch it actually. Actually, we are little bit sick, so that's the reason we are not launching anything on our YouTube channel. We are completing 5 years by the end of year in the market, in the finance market, or with the Vridhivesh Finance name and Crypto Blush. Don't forget to watch out our Crypto Blush Twitter. We are tweeting because the chart was there. Actually, we are monitoring over there. Making the video is literally taking a time. Okay, so that's the reason Crypto Blush is not. We are making the videos because, yeah, I mean, other crypto people, other crypto founder usually makes the video. We are not making a videos, and that's the reason I think we have hardly one subscriber on our YouTube channel on Crypto Blush. And I think Rudyvage Finance is also not having that much closure. But yeah, we seen that Twitter has doing well, and Quora too. So follow us on Quora, Twitter, and YouTube.com. Have a great day, and hope you will find Friday with fun by the weekend. planning weekend vibes and yes, Christmas vibes to all of you. Happy Christmas in advance. It's not a happy Christmas, it's a Merry Christmas in advance.